In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and manage e-commerce website Lovable. We'll walk through the exact flow from opening the site to publishing a working store, and I'll share tips along the way so everything is clear and smooth. First, open your web browser and search for Lovable. Click through to the official site and consider bookmarking it so you can return quickly later. On the homepage, choose Log In. If you're brand new, you can create an account from there, but we'll proceed with email sign-in for a straightforward start. Select Continue with Email, then enter the email address you'll use to manage your store. Keep that address dedicated and accessible, since you'll receive important notifications there. Click Continue, and when prompted, enter your password. Use a strong, unique password and keep it private. Then click Login to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a prompt box that helps Lovable generate a starting site for you. In that prompt field, type something like the following to set a clear direction. Build an e-commerce website for my clothing brand with product pages, cart, and checkout. This gives the builder enough context to scaffold the right pages and features. Click Send to kick off the build, and then give it a moment. Generation time can vary depending on your request, so let it run without refreshing the page. When the draft site appears, you can customize it. Start with the look and feel. Adjust the theme, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Update the logo and imagery, refine headings and calls to action, and tidy up the homepage sections so new visitors immediately understand what you sell and how to shop. Next, add product pages. For each item, include a clear title, detailed description, price, and high-quality photos. If you sell sizes or colors, add variants and inventory quantities so shoppers see what's available. Write concise, benefit-focused copy, and use descriptive alt text for images to help with accessibility and search. Then set up the cart and checkout. Connect your preferred payment methods, enable test mode to run a few trial orders, and confirm that taxes and shipping rules match your region and policy. Decide whether to allow guest checkout, review order confirmation messages, and make sure the cart updates accurately when quantities change. When everything looks good, click Publish, preview on desktop and mobile, test a full order from browsing to confirmation, and only then share your site. From here, keep refining products, content, and settings as your store grows.